From plain fabric to a story woven in color. A vision takes shape in digital form. Every design begins with a blank canvas. Precision is everything. Colors bring life. The process begins. Layer by layer, cut.
Patterns begin to appear.
A transformation unfolds. Every detail matters.
Locked in forever.
Colors settle into fabric. Ready for creation.
Crafted with care.
From fabric to fashion. Ready to be worn.
Definitely, I need that jacket.
This dress is perfect for the party. Let's try them on.
Great idea.
Feel the quality.
Style meets comfort.
A story printed